Hey, where you going? Where you going? Let your pride not make you pass me by. What's wrong with you? No, let me look at that. Let me look at that. It looks like bribery works on this show. Like, what is this? Do you know you may have just ruined us? Now, everybody who can cook is going to come with their food to give judges like after this. Like, what? Goodness. And I didn't even get to taste it. It's here.
I'm going to theater week.
I'm gonna start by giving you a yes.
It's a yes from me.
Fantastic.
So I'll give you a yes.
So for me, it's a yes. Thank you very much.
It's a yes from me.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Congratulations.
I'm very grateful. Thank you very much.
That was amazing.
I'll go run into you outside. I want to just bless you, bro.